Modal auxiliary could. Meaning, past ability, possibility, polite requests. Structure, subject plus could plus base verb. I could swim, she could read, they could play, no, to, could to go. Use 1, past ability.
Habilidad en el pasado.
I could swim when I was 5. She could read at 4. They could run very fast. Use 2, polite requests.
Peticiones educadas.
Could you help me? Could I go to the bathroom? Could you repeat, please?
Más educado que can.
Use 3, possibility.
Posibilidad. Menos segura que can.
It could rain, she could be at home. This could be a problem. Negative, could not, couldn't, I couldn't swim, she couldn't come, we couldn't go. Questions, could you help me? Could she come? Could they finish? Short answers, yes, I could. No, I couldn't. Important note.
Para acciones específicas en el pasado.
I could pass the exam. I was able to pass the exam.
Cuando hablamos de un logro específico.
Can versus could. Use can could. Ability I can swim. I could swim when I was 5. Permission can I go. Informal, could I go. More polite. Requests can you help me. Could you help me. More polite. Possibility it can be dangerous. It could rain, less sure. Key differences. Can present more direct. Could past more polite, less certain. Extra examples. Can you open the door? Normal, could you open the door? More polite. It can be cold here. It could be cold later.
Si quieres sonar más educado usa could.
Thanks for watching.